Today we're gonna make Greek style grilled chicken Caesar salad. So we have marinated some chicken with our traditional Greek marinade, olive oil, salt, pepper, oregano. I grilled it and we're gonna slice that. So we're gonna do, slice our chicken. And then I've already cut up our romaine lettuce. We have our romaine lettuce here, feta, olives, and croutons. And now we're gonna make our dressing. So for our dressing, we're gonna do a tablespoon of olive oil, a tablespoon of lemon juice, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, do a half a teaspoon of salt, and a quarter teaspoon of pepper. Now, last ingredient, tahini, our sesame. So we're gonna do here 2 tablespoons of tahini. And we're gonna whisk this together. When your tahini is really thick, you can add a tiny bit of water or a little bit more olive oil just to loosen it up. Now we're gonna take this, we're gonna put it on top of our lettuce. I don't like when you pour, sometimes when you put salad dressing on top of the salad and it doesn't coat all of the lettuce, so I wanna toss it with the lettuce here first before we build our salad. Perfect, here we go. We have our lettuce with our dressing. Put our chicken. I'm gonna put croutons, some olives, putting more chicken over here, and I'm gonna top it with our feta. Beautiful. Tons of protein, great salad, easy. Hopefully your kids will eat it. For the full recipe, visit nikkiklekis.com. And don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store for some of my favorite products.